Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Face ID stop working in the PayPal app and now you have to type your full password every single time you open it? Here's a 30-second fix. First, open PayPal app and log in manually with your email and password. Once you're inside, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the app. Tap Settings, Gear icon or go to Security. In Security, look for Touch ID and Face ID or Biometric login. Tap on it, turn the Face ID off, wait about 5 seconds and then turn it back on. The app will ask you to scan your face to register it with PayPal. Do that. After setting it up, tap the home button or swipe up to go to your home screen and then close PayPal app from the recent apps completely. Reopen PayPal, it should now show Face ID prompt immediately instead of asking for your password. If it still asks for a password, go to the iPhone settings and then go to Face ID and passcode and search for PayPal and make sure Face ID is allowed there too. So all you've got to do is log in manually, go to PayPal security settings, toggle Face ID off and back on. Check iPhone permissions, Face ID will be working in PayPal again, and that's it. So